Hi students, welcome to today's class. In today's class, we will be discussing about how to calculate interest on drawings under product method. Product method. Already in the previous class I told you there are three methods to calculate interest on drawings. What are they? Direct method, product method and average period method. What we did under direct method? Under direct method we took the amount of drawings, multiplied the rate of interest, and also what we did? We took the interest for the number of months which you have to calculate. Okay, the date of drawings till the end of the accounting period. So this is the formula we used for direct method. What we have to do under product method? Under product method you have to take the sum of the total amount of drawings into the number of months. The number of months you have utilized the drawing for your personal use. Okay, so that should be taken into consideration. That is called as product method. Okay, in direct method you take each amount, that is the different amount of drawings are given there, or sometimes a full amount is given. So each one separately you take and you calculate. But under product method what we are doing here, under this method we take the total of the products of the amount and we multiply into the rate of interest into 1 by 12. Okay, so this you have to keep in mind. So under product method you have to multiply by 1 by 12, take the total amount of the products. Okay, why we are using the word product here? Because what you are going to do here, you are going to take the amount of drawings and into the number of months. That is, for example, if he is withdrawing in the month of June and your accounting period ends in the month of December, means so from June you have to calculate June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, so how many months is there from June to December? That into the amount of drawings. So that will give you the product, and this product what you have to do, you have to add up and put in the total. So under this product method what we are doing, we are taking the total amount of drawings into the number of months remained after the drawings has been done. So that you have to multiply and then you have to add everything, find the total. That is called as what? Product method. One more thing you have to keep in mind here is that in product method you have to multiply by 12, 1 by 12. Okay, the rate of interest into 1 by 12. Let's move on to the one sum. We'll do one sum so that we'll understand clearly how to calculate interest on drawings under product method. So I'll teach you question number 15, page number 116. So I'll read the question, watch the screen, then we'll move to the sum. Santosh is a partner in a partnership firm. As per the partnership deed, interest on drawings is charged at 6% per annum. During the year ended 31st December 2018, he withdrew as follows: February 1, 2000, May 1, 10,000, July 1st, 4,000, October 1st, 6,000. Calculate the amount of interest on drawings by using product method. Okay. Question number 15. Calculation of interest on drawings what method we are going to follow here? We are going to follow product method. Okay, so this is just a workings. You can use one page, okay, one side of your notebook. What is the format? How you have to do? Like a tabular column, you can put date, then amount of drawings, period up to 31st December, last is the product. So here you put rupees and here also you put rupees. Okay. Now see the question. Here Santosh is drawing at different intervals. He is not drawing the same amount, he is drawing different amount at different intervals. Okay. So first what he is doing is drawing on February 1st. So write in the date column, you write February 1, it is given. How much he is drawing? 2000 rupees. So when the books are closing on 31st December. That is very important. You have to see when the books are closing. Okay. Now from February to December, how many months are there? You just calculate February 1st, so you have to take February also. February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Totally how many months are there? 11 months. Okay. So put here 11. Now product. So what you have to do? You have to multiply this amount into the number of months. Amount into the number of months. That is 2000 into 11. That will give you 22,000. Okay. Next, when he is drawing, on May 1st, 10,000 rupees. So write here May 1. How much he is drawing? 10,000. Again from May to December you calculate. So May 1, no, so take May also. May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So how many months are there from May to December? 8 months are there. Okay. So put here 8. That into this 10,000 into 8. That will give you 80,000. Okay. Next, when he is drawing on July 1st, 4,000 rupees. Okay. So write here July 1. How much? 4,000. So now again from July to December. From July to December, how many months are there? July 1st, no, so take July also. July, August, September, October, November, December. How many months are there? 6 months. So here July to December. So from July to December, how many months are there? 6 months are there. Okay. So you put here 6. So 6 4s are 24. 24,000. Next, when he is withdrawing, on October 1st, 6,000 rupees. Okay. So here you write October 1, 6,000. Again you take from October to December. October, November, December. How many months are there? 3 months. So that will give you 6 3s are 18,000. Okay. Add up everything now. So when you add all this, you will get 1,44,000. 1,44,000. That is the sum of the product. Sum of the product. Okay. You understood, children? First you take the date. Which date is withdrawing, that has to be taken, and the amount of drawings to be taken. Then what you have to do? This you have to calculate from which day is drawing till the end of December. Find out how many months are there, then multiply these two, get the product and find the sum of the product, that is the total. So you will be getting 1,44,000. Now you put in the formula. What is the formula for under product method? The formula is, you have to write like this: interest on drawings is equal to sum of the product into rate of interest into 1 divided by 12. So the sum of the product is how much? 1,44,000 into, what is the rate of interest? 6 by 100 into 1 by 12. So that will give you rupees 720. That is the answer. So under product method, you have to do like this. Okay. Next, we'll move on to average period method. average period method. What is this average period method? In the previous two methods, that is the direct method and the product method, what we did, what the partner has done, he has drawn in different intervals, okay, not in regular intervals, he has drawn at different intervals, and also the amount of drawings was not the same. But here in average period method, what is the difference here? Here the amount of drawings will be fixed. For example, if he is drawing 500 rupees at the beginning of January, means February also, March, April, all the months, the beginning of every month he will be drawing 500. Or sometimes he will be drawing the middle of every month or at the end of every month. Or sometimes he will be drawing at the beginning of every quarter or middle of every quarter or end of every quarter. Or it will be given in the question at the beginning of every half yearly or middle of every half yearly or end of every half yearly. So it will be given that the amount of drawings here will be the same amount at the same intervals, okay, same intervals of drawings, and the amount is also the same. So that is the difference between the average period method and the other two methods, that is the direct method and product method. Okay. Now in page number 101 from your textbook, a tabular column is given. Suppose if he is drawing at the beginning, what you have to do, middle, what you have to do, and at the end what you have to do. If it is monthly, quarterly or half yearly. So that is also is given. So the tabular column is given. It is very easy to understand the tabular column. I'll just show this tabular column on the screen first for you. So you just see that thing. How to calculate. So suppose if it is a beginning of every month, means what you have to do, first you have to take the beginning. For beginning of every month, that is January to December. You take the accounting period from January to December. So beginning of every month means January 1st he is drawing. Okay. January 1st he will be drawing. Example I will give you for beginning. Okay. January 1st he will be drawing. So from January to December, how many months are there? There are 12 months. Okay. Then what you have to do, you have to take the how many months are pending after the last withdrawal. So the last withdrawal will be on December 1st. Okay. After December 1st, how many period, what is the period pending there, remaining there? 1 month is remaining. So that 12 plus 1 divide by 2. Okay. So that will give you 13 by 2. So if you divide, you will be getting 6.5. This is for beginning. Okay. Then middle what you have to do? Middle of every month. He will be withdrawing the middle of every month, that is January 15th means, so how many months after that it is there? 11.5 months is there. Then the last withdrawal will be on December 15th. So from there how many months will be there? Remaining only half month will be there, 0.5. Okay. That divided by 2. That will give you 12 by 2. 12 by 2 it means 6. Okay. Same way end of every month. End of every month means January 31st he is taking, means how many months are there? 11 months are there. Then after that December end, again December end you will take that, there you will not have anything, 0. After December nothing is there. Put a 0, that divide by 2. So here you will be getting 11 by 2, that will be 5.5. So like a formula you can keep in mind, monthly, this is for monthly basis. Okay, every month beginning taking means 6.5 will be the average period, middle of every month means 6 will be the average period, end of every month means will be 5.5 will be the average period. Okay. Same way in your textbook, if you turn to page number 101, quarterly, half yearly, everything is given. That calculation is not very important. You can just like a tables, you can keep in mind what has to be done. Okay. First I told you monthly, now it is quarterly. Quarterly, beginning, what you have to do? Quarterly means 3 months, every 3 months. Okay. So beginning of every quarter, that is again when it is beginning on January. So here you have to put January. Then the last withdrawal, when you do the last withdrawal, after the last withdrawal, how many months are there? 3 months are there. Okay. So that divided by 2. So that will give you 15 by 2, that is 7.5. Next is middle of every quarterly. When you take middle of every quarterly, middle, since it is middle, no 3 months I said. So middle means 1.5 month you leave off. So how many months will be there for you? 10.5. 10.5 months will be there. Then the last withdrawal will be 1.5 month before. So that you write it as 1.5. Divide by 2. Okay. So 12 by 2, that will give you 6. Next, end. When you come to the end of every quarterly, end means what? 3 months over. January, February, March, leave off that. The end of the quarterly, that is March end you are drawing. So March to December, how many months will be there? 9 months will be there. Then the last withdrawal will be, when you will be doing the last withdrawal, you will do the last withdrawal on December. So when you come to December, after December, how many months is there? Nothing is there. So put 0 here. Then divide by 2. So that will give you 9 by 2, that is 4.5. Understood? So quarterly means beginning it will be 7.5, middle it will be 6, end it will be 4.5. Okay. Next it is half yearly. Half yearly. Okay. Beginning means, half yearly means what? 6 months. So when it will be beginning? Beginning means when you will be taking the beginning, that is January you will draw. Okay. Then the last withdrawal will be on June. After June, how many months are there remaining for you? 6 months are there. So that will be 18 by 2, that is equal to 9. Okay. So this is beginning. Next is middle. Middle means, that is 3 months, first 3 months will go off for you. For the middle, after the first 3 months, how many months will be remaining for you? 9 months will be remaining. And same way that the back, when you come for the last withdrawal, how many months will be there? 3 months will be there. So that you add, you will be getting 12 by 2, that is 6. Okay. End of every half yearly. End means how many months? When you will draw? You will withdraw on June last. Okay. So 6 months. 6. Then the second withdrawal, when you do the second withdrawal, that is December, when you withdraw, how many months is there after December? Nothing is there. So put a 0 here. So divide by 2. So that will give you the average period for beginning. Every half yearly means, beginning means 9, middle means 6, end means 3. Okay. So this calculation is very simple only. You need not confuse, you need not be worried. Just like a tables you can keep in mind. So beginning of every month, what you have to do? Middle of every month, end of every month. Same way, beginning of every quarterly, middle of every quarterly, end of every quarterly. Then beginning of every half yearly, middle of every half yearly, and end of every half yearly. Like a tables you can learn that page number 101. It will be easy for you to work out the sums. Okay. Now we will move to question number 16. Okay. Question number 16. I'll read the question for you. Just listen, watch the screen, then we'll move to the sum. Kavita is a partner in a firm. She withdraws rupees 2,500 per month regularly. Interest on drawings is charged at 4% per annum. Calculate the interest on drawings using average period. If she draws at the beginning of every month, middle of every month, at the end of every month. So 3 cases are given there. Kavita is a partner, she is withdrawing the beginning, middle and end. So we will see how much is what you have to calculate. Okay. First thing you have to keep in mind, you see the question, she withdraws rupees 2,500 per month regularly. So first you have to find out the total amount withdrawn. Total amount withdrawn. So that is the first thing you have to calculate, that is rupees 2,500 into 12. So So that will give you rupees 30,000. Okay. First case. What is the first case? If the drawings are made at the beginning of every month. This is month, every month, beginning of every month. So as I told you, beginning of every month means you turn to page number 101, see the tabular column. Beginning of every month means what is the average period? Average period is 6.5. Okay, that right here. Like in tables you can learn and keep. Average period for beginning of every month is 6.5. Next, what is the formula? Interest, to calculate interest on drawings. So you have to write like this: interest on drawings of Kavita is equal to total amount withdrawn into rate of interest into average period divided by 12 months. Okay. So here the total amount withdrawn is how much? 30,000. Total amount is 30,000. Rate of interest, how much interest she has to pay? The question, 4%, 4 by 100 into average period is 6.5 divided by 12. So that what you will get? That is 650 rupees. Okay. This is for drawing at the beginning of every month. Beginning means average period is 6.5. Okay. What is the next case? The next case is middle of every month. If she is drawing the middle of every month, what we have to do? If the drawings are made at the middle of every month, what will be the average period? You see the tables there. What is given there? The average period is 6. Again, what is the formula? Interest on drawings of Kavita is equal to total amount withdrawn into rate of interest into average period divided by 12. So what is the total amount withdrawn? Total amount withdrawn is 30,000. That into rate is 4%, 4 by 100 into 6 by 12. So that will give you how much? So that is 600. Okay. The middle of every month means what is your average period? Your average period is 6. Okay. So 6 by 12, that you will get 600. Okay. Next, end. What is the third case? End of every month. If the drawings are made at the end of every month, what is the average period for end of every month? End means 5.5. Okay. So total amount withdrawn is how much? Total amount withdrawn is 30,000. What is the rate of interest? 4%, 4 by 100. What is the average period? 5.5 divided by 12. So what is the answer? Rupees 550. It's very easy to keep in mind, children. If it is beginning means beginning of every month means it is 6.5. If it is middle of every month means 6. Average period is 6. If it is end of every month means average period is 5.5. This you keep in mind means then you can do it very easily. Okay.